Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a quick tutorial of how to do a gravel walkway. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future notifications and like this video. Let's get to it. Okay, you guys, this is kind of going to be a 2-for-1 deal. Not only am I showing you how to put a gravel walkway down, but I'm also giving you an update on my stepping stone walkway, which I put down a year ago. As you can see, the stepping stones, for lack of a better word, they look whack. They haven't cured into the ground like I wanted them to, and because of this really shaded area, grass doesn't really grow here, so I'm not liking the way this looks. So I'm about to change it up. The first thing I did was I measured and I marked out where I wanted my walkway to go. And I did this for a 2 feet width walkway. Now, in hindsight, I should have did 2.5 because it turned out a little bit narrow, but it's okay. I can live with it. And just a little FYI, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a sneak preview of next week's video, so be sure to watch to the end. The next step was to dig out the outline of the walkway. Now this became very challenging for me because you see that tree to the right of me? It had roots that were very much on the surface, so I couldn't dig as deep as I wanted to in many of the areas of this walkway. So I had to do my best to work around those roots. I could not cut the roots either because it was way too many of them to cut. Now, for the life of me, I could not understand why it was so difficult to find brown landscaping edging. For some reason, most of the stores only have black. So I had to kind of find somewhat of a specialty store here in my city in order to get brown. I used a box cutter to cut my edging in half because once again, I could not dig my trench as deep as I wanted to because of the tree roots being everywhere. At the time, I was only able to dig about 1 inch, but that's okay. After this video is over, I'm going to keep working on it and try to dig it a little bit further. And I used a plastic drop cloth from Dollar Tree and I laid it down on my pathway so I could keep weeds out. And then I used a mallet and these metal stakes to hold my edging in place. I spaced each stake about 4 feet apart. These are the pond pebbles that I used as gravel for my walkway. I believe I used 12 bags to cover a 44-foot walkway. And last but not least, I washed the gravel off with my water hose a little bit so I could see its true color. I use these landscaping lights to light up my walkway. I'm also using the same matching landscape lights throughout the rest of my yard too. And the end of the walkway is my shed, and that gets pretty dark at night too, so I put this solar deck light here to kind of illuminate this area as well. And at the last minute, I added these pavers to make the walkway a little bit easier to walk on. And this is how it looks illuminated at night. Isn't it pretty? Oh wait, before you go, here's a sneak preview of next week's video of my budget-friendly rock garden. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like this video. And I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Bye.